Wait, what?
All right, a classic. You're controlling the center, setting up, good for you. Your opponent's going old school with the caro kann. Not the flashiest, but solid. Your opponent's in the caro kann now. Options abound for you. You're making them work for it. Nice defense. That recapture was a logical move. Knight f6 develops the knight toward the center, attacks the knight on e4, and controls the d5 square. Your better option was to force doubling of pawns. Oh, they kick your knight with a pawn? They are forcing it to move. Maybe it can survive. Free knight for them? Ouch. Not exactly a world championship level move. They took your free knight. A gift is a gift, I suppose. Good development. Supporting the center with that knight. That's the strongest option. Yeah, good. That's how you connect your pawns into a chain. Well played. They brought their knight out to control the center. Not bad. Developing the bishop to eye the center. Standard procedure, right? Good for them. I guess this is the only good move. Your opponent blocked the check from your bishop. Can you break through? Kingside castling. The classic. Can't go wrong with a bit of king safety. Your opponent is making a fair trade. Standard. Good recapture. Can't argue with building a strong center, can you? Bringing the bishop out, increasing center control, huh? Not bad, not bad. Excellent move. Just like what I would have played. Your opponent develops the rook. Well, they got it off the starting square. Good for them. Excellent move. That's the strongest option, yeah. You are forcing your opponent to get an isolated pawn on a semi-open file. Your opponent exchanged pieces of equal value. Now what? That's right, develop pieces. You use the recapture to develop a piece. Their winning edge is gone, but their position is still better. Now that's chess. Excellent move. That's the one. Your opponent saves their knight. Probably didn't want to lose it. Smart move, that gets the bishop to safety. Their best option was to connect rooks. That's some big brain play right there. An even trade. They just recaptured. Simple stuff. Let's see what happens next. Mistake by your opponent, you can win a queen. Their loss, your gain. King steps away from the check by your bishop. I guess that's one way to deal with it. Their king stepped out of the check of your knight. Standard king stuff, eh? That discovered check will bag you a queen. Good stuff.